Okay, so it's 7 a.m. and no one is up yet. It's quiet at the villa. We had a busy day yesterday in Siena, and we had a great meal at the house. We had some whole sea bass, which really turned out fabulous. And we had some card playing, which is one of the benefits of group travel that I love. Lots of playing cards. So I'm about to head out for a walk, and let's see what we can find in the neighborhood of Ranciano, just outside of Castiglione del Lago. So here we are, walking down our driveway. It's a little bit windy this morning, and it's funny, it's been, 80, 90, full sun every day for a couple of weeks now. And there's a little chance of thunderstorms today, although if we actually see any rain, I'd be surprised. So it's a little bit windy, but we're about to head out in our neighborhood to see what is happening this morning. A great place for walking for sure. So a cool thing is, as soon as we leave our villa, you can see it's just olive trees, kind of as far as the eye can see. There's a little farm next door, so we hear a lot of roosters crowing in the morning, which is super cool, I think. And yeah, just lots and lots of olive trees. So this is the little neighborhood of Ranciano, and we've got just a few houses, lots more olive trees, and just a tiny little kind of bucolic town. So here we go, we're just turning the corner, and we've got a little garden here. Looks like a lot of tomatoes, big surprise, right? And some beautiful flowers. I don't know what all the flowers are, but some really pretty flowers in this neighborhood. And here we have the classic mirror. So in Italy we have an awful lot of 90-degree turns. And so they use mirrors so that we can see around the corner, which is definitely helpful. So here we can see kind of the classic landscape. Lots of hay bales out here. Beautiful, beautiful. So we see a lot of little shrines when we're out walking around. Here we've got some flowers, some candles. So here we can see the Apennines Mountains in the background. Beautiful. And here we can see the shores of Lake Trasimeno. So here we are walking along all the olive trees on either side. I love this little house here. The road actually narrows, and you can only fit one car through here because the stairs here are so close to the road. I have to wonder how old this place is. Nice view of a little hilltop town here with the mountains in the background. We just scared off some big birds. Not sure what they were. You don't have to walk far in Tuscany before you get to some lakes. So here we have a beautiful field of grapes. Harvest time is going to come in just about 1 month, so it'll be right around the end of August. So here we can see the town of Castiglione del Lago in the distance here. And I talk about this town a lot because I really love it. I think it's fabulous. And it's rated the #1 hilltop town for folks with mobility issues. So you can park right up inside and enjoy it with very little climbs. So here we have a typical gate. We've got a little shrine in there. Super cool. Got a P. And just look at the P here and the stonework also. Beautiful. Another beautiful gate here. The cypress. And here we have some beautiful plums. Wow. Does it get any better than this? You wouldn't necessarily think of tropical trees in Italy, but there's lots of them here, and also lots of cacti. Here goes an old woman with her basket. Probably going